Good morning, welcome. And today we are at the Sarvodaya Bal Vidyalaya Rouse Avenue, which is a Delhi government school. And we are here to show you around the school, to show you the kind of facilities that Delhi government has brought about in the school. Yeah. Can you show us one movie?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, please. Still, when the titles are coming, when I am there, details of that. So then with the picture, so then they grasp it quite easy.
They link it to the chapters that they're studying.
Exactly.
I also thought there was a feature that you all can go back to notes. Does that help? आप लोग को notes पीछे का notes देख सकता है.
Do you want to see that, sir?
Sure.
Please.
So they're showing us how you can actually go and see previous documents after you've missed
all that
it.
is being saved. Actually, every day we save the documents. So whenever the students, suppose few students have not come, they are absent. So then next day they are coming and having vacant period. They can see all of it.
So this is previous notes. He's missed the class.
So they had already had handy with the mobiles, smartphones, and computers, and smartphones, and phones. It's very easy. Actually, now they are comparing their school with the public school. They say that even the public school in their neighboring places, the public school, that kind of facility is not there. But they say we have. So they feel proud.
Wonderful.
That we people, being students of government school, then we are having such a facilities more than enough for us.
These desks look fantastic. I have not seen it. इस type का desk बहुत comfortably होगा और space and.
Three students were sitting in one bench. Actually, earlier the position was the students were sitting like the benches were very less in the classes. So they used to just come back with their schools to 3 or 4 students were sitting together. So now they are completely because 30 or 35 seats are there. So even 60 students can be accommodated.
The 11th science stream section in my school.
This is a science. Okay.
Yeah, admitted in this year only.
Oh, just started.
Just started.
Total 51 out of 51 today 47.
Very nice. So this is a channel from Pradeep. You all can watch it here.
So these are basically YouTube channel, YouTube videos which we have downloaded.
So you all can pick what is really relevant and start to use it. Just go back to the previous one and show the list that you all have already made. Just previous that there was a list of the So biology, chemistry, class 10, economics, geography, Indian history, maths, physics, fantastic. So all of that content now आप लोग को मतलब सुविधा मिलेगा जो भी चाहिए क्लासरूम के अंदर में ला सकते हैं. So where are the computer lab now? And so here you have computers also for the students to work on around the classroom, and then this is to projector for any common discussion.
Yeah.
And content and syllabus also available in the system and training of the computer system each and every day as per timetable. As per timetable. Amphitheater.
Look at the size of this hall. Just look at the size of this
Multi-purpose
amphitheater.
theater and multi-purpose hall of my school.
Look at the environment on the top. You have the ACs, the fans,
The proper lighting.
the flood lighting on the top. This is like a, you can really run a professional production.
And this entire
this-
room is soundproofed if you were to see the material.
Wow. Look at that
And
material on the top.
you have a high quality sound system, proper curtains, a green room behind the stage.
Recently, geography program as well as mathematics program. Those who are teacher working as a lecturer in different subject in government of Delhi schools, and I have a training program of lecturer mathematics and as well as a lecturer geography. The whole program of Delhi government has conducted in this hall only.
The entire program
The
was
entire
conducted
program.
here. So how many?
One batch from geography subject and another batch from mathematics subject.
Fantastic.
You had a lot of teachers coming
Lot
in,
of
so this
teachers.
is not just for the students of the school, it becomes a resource for the entire.
The mentor, the teacher train,
Yes.
mentor train, teacher kind
That
of
is called in-service teacher
passing.
training program. That is called in-service teacher training program.
Okay.
You can also now go and see the primary wing of the school.
Okay.
And usually government schools have started from class 1 onwards.
Mm-hmm.
And Delhi government from this year has initiated the process of having nursery and KG, which is pre-primary education in schools. And the reason for this is that one of the big reasons for learning deficits and children not doing well in government schools is that they have 2 years less of education as compared to children going in private schools.
Okay.
And that's the reason why we have started pre-primary classes from this year in government schools. So
Okay.
this is the end of the day, and the children have.
Good morning, sir. Hello. It's a nursery section.
Nursery section of my school.
So think of this. Think of the kind.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm coming here twice a week.
Nursery classroom.
So you all even have a way to keep them a little longer
Yes,
if
sir.
required.
Yes.
Many of them have older siblings, so the
In the
nursery
school.
classes ended earlier.
Fifth class में, sixth class.
You can see some of the things on
This
the
is now from nursery. We've come into the KG room. You can look at the kind of how the walls have changed. This is for students who are.
The teacher of KG section named is Nishta.
Nishtha.
Nishta.
Yes. So this is work done by the actual students in the classroom.
Yeah, 6th to 8th class.
6 to 8.
Yeah.
See the level of creativity.
So this is for
the
इस जिम से इंटरनेशनल तक निकले मेरे बच्चे
अच्छा
international तक पहुंचे. So students have reached.
स्टेट चैंपियन तो बने ये लगेंगे
That's some students you can see doing a little bit of workout. Whole series of library books. And we have students here sitting around. So these books कुछ reference के लिए या
Yes, sir.
Reference some school magazines and competitive magazines, some newspapers.
8,802 books have been done.
okay. And what kind of subjects are covered here?
Yes, sir. All subjects.
All subjects are covered.
Reference all subjects and miscellaneous.
Okay. Very nice. Okay.
तो इसमें कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की एनरोलमेंट में कोई अंतर आया है? Has there been an increase in the
Definitely, madam. Definitely. 2002 साल पहले स्टूडेंट को 900 और 850 स्टूडेंट्स हैं मेरे स्कूल के अंदर. लेकिन at present 1200 और 50 स्टूडेंट्स are reading in my school.
1250 from
1250 के आसपास.
from 900. That's like a 25%,
Yeah.
more than 25% increase.
Definitely. Students are increased as enrollment in my school, and only one class seats are vacant. It is called vocational stream in my school in 11th and 12th class. इसके अलावा बाकी जितना भी है सभी में कोई सीट वैकेंट नहीं है.
In
Wow.
fact, the principal had also he was sharing when we were going around the school that in class 11 in the science stream, a lot of students who have taken admission are those who are actually shifted from private schools to this government.
Yes,
Saying that, yes.
definitely. And in 11th class in science stream, 55 students are reading in 11th science stream. It is beyond limit. And
The number itself.
In a particular section, 11th science stream. Same condition in commerce stream. 54 students are reading in commerce stream in 11th class.
So
They are very
congratulations. This sounds like a private school
Yeah.
in terms of
And
the
I think-
demand.
Yeah, I think that if one goes around the school, he meets the principal, teachers, children, sees the infrastructure. I think this school really proves that government schools can be as good or better than private schools.
I can believe that myself, having been through it with you all. Thank you, Principal Ji. Thank you, Atishi Ji.